ready to transform your plain Squarespace blog into a visual masterpiece that screams your brand. Today, we're diving deep into the power of custom CSS to elevate your Squarespace blog's aesthetic, allowing you to go far beyond the default templates and create a truly distinctive look for your blog posts. First things first, let's locate that magic wand circumflex euros, the custom CSS panel in your Squarespace site editor. Navigate to Design, then click on Advanced, and finally, select Custom CSS. This is where all the styling secrets are kept. Now, before we start wielding any code, it's crucial to identify what you want to style. Open up one of your blog posts in preview mode. We'll use this to inspect elements and understand their unique identifiers. This is where the detective work begins. Right-click on the element you want to change circumflex euros. Perhaps the blog post title, a paragraph, or even an image caption. Select Inspect or Inspect Element in your browser. This will open up your browser's developer tools, showing you the underlying code. Look for the selector, circumflex euros. It's like a unique address for that specific piece of text or image. You'll see a combination of letters and numbers. This is what we'll use in our custom CSS to target that exact element. For instance, if we want to change the blog post title, we might find a selector like Enter Title. Now, back in your custom CSS panel, you'll type in that selector followed by curly braces. Inside those braces, you'll add your styling commands. For example, to change the color of our blog post title to a vibrant blue, we'd write color blue. To make it bigger, we'd add font size 30px. Notice how as you type, your blog post instantly updates. This is the beauty of live preview. You can experiment with different colors, font sizes, spacing, and so much more to perfectly align with your brand identity. By mastering this simple process of identifying selectors and applying custom CSS, you're empowered to create a Squarespace blog that doesn't just share content, but tells a compelling visual story that truly reflects your unique brand.